Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to discuss simple linear regression. So at the end of this video, you are expected that you can identify the independent and dependent variable, calculate the slope and y-intercept of the regression line, interpret the calculated slope and y-intercept of the regression line, predict the value of the dependent variable given the value of the independent variable, and solve problems involving regression analysis. Let us just say if two variables are correlated, then we can explore the predictive ability of independent variable on continuous numeric dependent variable. For example, it is believed that the amount of family income is related to the amount of expenditures. If indeed there is a significant relationship between these two variables, then we can predict the amount of expenditures in terms of family income. Thus, linear regression is more sophisticated extension of correlation. Bivariate data always involve two variables. One of these variables is the dependent variable and the other one is the independent variable. So what is the dependent variable? Dependent variable depends on other variables or factors. It is something that is influenced and affected. It is also associated with the word effect or outcome. How about the independent variable? So this independent variable affects the dependent variable. It means dependent variable from the word itself. It is dependent from the independent variable. It is something you have control over, or a variable that we can manipulate. But in some cases, there are times that we cannot manipulate the independent variable. And the independent variable is commonly known as the cause or the reason behind changes. For example, the researcher wants to determine the effects of use of social media in the academic performance of students in mathematics. The bivariate data in the study are use of social media and academic performance. As we all know, the academic performance depends on the use of social media, or we can say that the academic performance is affected by the use of social media. Therefore, independent variable here is the use of social media, and the dependent variable is the academic performance. And to make things clear, we have here the diagram. The independent variable, it is independent, is the use of social media, and it affects the academic performance, which is the dependent variable. It means academic performance depends on the use of social media. And that will be all for the first part of our video.